Like and subscribe my channel and share with those guys who want to learn SD-WAN. Thank you so much.
It's pinging 50.2. Okay, it's pinging. Okay, so I'm able to reach from branch 1 VPN 10 till data center VPN 10. Okay, so now I can assume that our this data center and this server is running on very critical applications 10.50.50.2. So what I will do, I will create one list here. Directly you can create the list from their custom option list. So I'll create one list, data prefix list. So create packet application. So if you have multiple subnet, then you can separate it by commas, as I already told you. We have only 1.0/30. Add. So this prefix list we will use. So I'll go to centralized policy again. Click on add next. Okay, give me 1 sec. I will prepare some list. Okay, color is already there. Data prefix is already there. Okay, site I need to create. Branch 1, site ID 10, 10, 20, 30, 50. So 10, branch 2, add C 50. I think that's it we will require. Okay, VPN, which VPN you are using. So these are just list I'm showing you. Either you can create you can add multiple VPNs, like either you can provide 10, 20, 25 through commas, and if you will provide the range 10 to till 25, it will cover all the things. So there are multiple ways you can assign. In this one you will require at least underscore. This, it will not take any space. VPN 10, add. Okay, and I think we are done. Now we'll go to policy again, add policy. Next, list already created. Next, we'll create on traffic data, add policy, create new. So here we'll assign some name first, packet duplication. Okay, it's giving error. Duplication. Okay, now we'll create one sequence type. Okay, and we can use the first rule. So there's a multiple things. This depend on basically your design, what you want to configure. So if you know very well that which option comes under which, then you can click on. Otherwise, you can click on custom. Under the custom, you will see all the options. First sequence type, first rule. So basically, we are creating this policy for destination data prefixes. So the list we already have. Okay, so the prefix list for destination, action, accept. Here we will configure the packet duplication. Where it is, loss correction. Yeah, packet duplication. I think it's a change. Destination data prefixes, correct. Okay, packet duplication, and that's it. Previously, this option was not there. Okay. Save and match action. Default action, we need to click accept. Otherwise, your all traffic will be dropped towards the destination. So there is a multiple option where you can use drop or where you can use accept. So likewise, you can you are configuring any application level policy that you want to block that application, right? On that way, you can configure default action accept, otherwise your internet will be down. And if you are only allowing only the two application on this site only can able to access Gmail and Facebook, that's it. Other web browsing, this site will not be able to do that. So on that way you can select default action drop. So all traffic will be dropped, only these application will be allowed. So basically it's totally depend on design, that how you are configuring or how you are designing your network, what are the policy you are applying. So this default action will work like this. So I click save and match action, save data policy. So now data policy is saved. We have created this data policy. Click on next. Now, if you have multiple policies like app topology, application aware routing, flow, traffic data, so all, as I told you that only one centralized policy will be applicable in your environment. So you need to configure other policies if you want to conclude in one policy. So this is a centralized policy name. Okay. Centralized policy you can keep. Okay. So I'm keeping this name as a packet duplication only. Policy. Now I need to match those sites where I want to apply. So branch 1 and DC. The same thing I have mentioned in the document. Here I'm applying on the okay selected site. Okay, on the branch 1. Okay, we are applying on this branch 1 and VPN list. Okay, DC, on the DC we are not applying this. On this side we are applying VPN list VPN 10. Add. Oh, make it all. Check its work from service or tunnel. And if you want to see preview, you will be able to see in the same CLI method policy which VPN list. It's like a access list normally we configure. So match this prefix list, action accept, packet duplication. Okay, and which list we are using, IP prefix this, which site ID, VPN. Okay, and that's it. Save. Now this policy is already created. Now we will see the difference. Wait, if I will show you, first we will ping and then we will run the command, then we will see. Okay, so let me ping from this PC. It would be easy to testing from branch 1 device. So then we can ping VPN 10.50.50.2 count 100. Another way, I think, why this command is not running. Repeat. Okay, rapid count. Rapid count 100. One more thing I would like to share with you. Suppose you are pinging this way, so it will not show you the packet drop in between. Only when you will stop this ping, then it will show here how many packet loss, what is the percentage of packet loss. But if you are pinging with rapid count, this way, if any packet will loss, it will show you here. So there's a difference in SD-WAN. So here it will skip. It will not show you that packet, which has how many packet got dropped when you are pinging. It will show you the summary at last. But if you will ping this way, then it will show you the packet drop. Right. So I have just pinged, and if I will show tunnel statistics, packet duplication, I tab. So you can see all are zero. Right now there is no packet duplication is happening. It is not sending any packet duplication. Right. Guys, give me 2 minutes. I will be back. Only 2 minutes I will require. Right now there is no packet duplication happening because policy is not getting activated right now. So what we will do, we will activate this policy. First, I'll go to the policy, activate.
Like and subscribe my channel and share with those guys who want to learn SD-WAN. Thank you so much.